Good day, my name is Brandon Maloney.
And I'm Abiadu Margaret Idile.
Today we'll be going over our gym management system. We'll briefly be going over our created models, data access objects, and services, as well as our demonstration of our main.java, the user interface of our program. First, we'll be going over the models.
Thank you, Brandon. So I worked on the model classes, and I'll be starting with the user. The user's class serves as the super class for admin, member, and trainer, and it has parameters: ID, name, address, phone number, role, password, and email. And each of these parameters have their getter and setter method, and it's a string method finally for the user, which helps to format output properly. Then the admin class, member class, and trainer class all are subclass to the user class. They inherit from the user class. Then the membership class. The membership class represents the membership details in the gym management system, and each of the parameters it takes in all have their getter, their setter method, and it also have its string method, which helps with formatting output properly. Then the GMesh class. The GMesh class represents the G merchandise details in the system and all its parameters as well, like the ID, name, type, price, and quantity in stock. They all have their getter and setter method. And the GMesh class has a toString method as well, which helps to format output properly. The workout class. This class helps with representing the workout details in the system and each of its parameters as well, like ID type, description, and trainer ID, as their getters and setter method. And this class also having a toString method, which helps with formatting output properly. And I'll be passing it on to my partner to talk about the DAO files.
Thank you, Abiodun. I was responsible for making all of the DAO classes in our program. Each DAO acts as a single point of access to the database for a specific part of the system, like users, members, trainers, memberships, gym merchandise, and workout classes. This keeps all SQL logic out of the rest of the application and makes the system much easier to maintain and test. The user DAO is especially important because almost everything in the system depends on user data in some way. Members, trainers, and admins all build on top of the user concept, so the user DAO becomes the foundation for authentication, role handling, and account management. By centralizing that logic, changes to how users are stored or retrieved only need to happen in one place. The other DAOs follow the same pattern. Each one is responsible for its own table and exposes clean methods for creating, reading, updating, and deleting data. This separation makes the service layer simpler, since services don't need to worry about the SQL or database connections. They just call the DAO methods. Passing it on to my partner to talk about their services.
Thank you, Brandon. So I worked on the services. I'll be starting with the user service. The user service helps with the authentication flow where users can log in and register. And then we also have some other functions like the get all users, get trainer by ID, get member by ID, get user by ID. All these services helps in the main.java file. Then down to the membership service. This membership service helps to put all the membership related operations together. We have services like add membership, get all membership, update membership, services like delete membership, and also view total revenue, calculate member expenses. Then to the gym match service. This service also helps to manage all gym mesh operations. We have services like add mesh, get all mesh, update mesh, delete mesh, and calculate total stock value. Then we also have the workout class service. The workout class service helps to undo all workout class operations. Then we have services like the create workout class, get workout class, get workout classes by trainer ID, get all workout classes. We have services like update workout class and delete workout class. We also worked on some test files. We have test files like test all services file. This file basically helps to test all services in the application. Then we have the test all DAO files. This file also helps us to test all DAO files in the application. Then in our utils folder, we have some helper functions like the database connection.java. I worked on this. And this basically helps to manage all our database connection to our MongoDB and make sure that any error we get is also gracefully handled. Then I also worked on the logger util file. The logger util file helps to centralize all logging activities in the database in general. Then every time the logger util file is called, there is a file handler which helps to log out details in the gem log.txt file. And now I'll be passing it on to my partner to talk about the password util file and go through the main.java file.
Thank you, Abiodun. I also worked on the password security. We decided to hash passwords before they ever reach the DAO layer using bcrypt. That means no plain text passwords are ever stored, logged, or passed into a database operation. The DAOs only deal with hashed values, which keeps the data layer clean and reduces the risks of security mistakes later on. Finally, I implemented the main.java. This provides the console-based interface for the system. Main ties together the services and DAOs and allows a user to interact with the application through a menu. From here, we can create a user, manage memberships, add gym merchandise, and perform other operations. I'll go ahead and switch to our program now to demonstrate some of our functionality. Here, you can see the interface to our gym management system. First, we'll be trying to log in as a user that doesn't exist. The username will be Luke, the password will be Key. As we can see, login failed for username Luke because the user was not found or has an invalid password. Let's fix this. So let's register Luke. Luke will be the username, luke@gmail.com, a phone number for Luke, where does Luke live, we'll make him a member, and the password for Luke will be LukeG. Let's go ahead and log in with Luke. As we can see here, we have access to our member menu. This gives you access to a number of options, like browsing the workout classes, purchasing a membership, viewing membership expenses, and viewing the gym merchandise. Let's go ahead and browse the workout classes. We can see one workout class available, Pilates. Let's go ahead and see if there's any gym merchandise we want to buy. We've got a t-shirt, we've got a water bottle. Looks fancy. Let's go ahead and log out with Luke. Now, we're going to log in as a known admin to demonstrate some admin privileges. And 1, 2, 3, admin. Very secure. Here, we can see our admin abilities. We'll showcase viewing members. Here we can see our database full of members. This is already populated with our test from earlier, so we already have something to work with. Now, let's delete a member. Let's go ahead and delete Greg. We see that Greg's user ID is 19. Here we've successfully deleted Greg, and if we go back, he's no longer a part of the list. We're going to go ahead and log out. And we're going to log in with a trainer. Greg, 2, 3, Greg. And here we can see that we're logged into a trainer. We'll go ahead and manage our workout classes. Let's view them. Our trainer ID, as we can see up there, is 23. We've got 2 classes here, cardio and low tension. Let's go ahead and make another class. Our class name will be swimming. Let's say low impact cardio. And our trainer ID is 23. Let's go ahead and view that class, 23. And we've created swimming, low impact cardio. But let's say we didn't want to do swimming. Let's go ahead and update it. Our class ID is 6. Our new name is going to still be swimming, but we're going to do swimming basics. And our trainer ID is going to be the same. And we'll go ahead and view that. And we have swimming with swimming basics. We'll go ahead and navigate back and log out. This now concludes our demonstration of our gym management system. Thank you.
Thank you.